talk the whole time. I think I made you too small. I never feared you at all, no. If you touched my face, would I know you? Looked into my eyes, would I behold you? And what do I know of you? Who spoke me into motion? And where have I even stood but the shore along your ocean? Are you fire? Are you fury? Are you sacred? Are you beautiful? And what do I know? What do I know for you? Stories, and I learned to talk about how you were mighty to save. But those were only empty words on a page, and then I caught a glimpse of who you might be. The slightest hint of you brought me down to my knees. Shore on your ocean. Are you fire? Are you fury? Are you safe?